Want to show off some stuff that I'm currently working on. So I'm working on a better pathfinding AI. So whenever I enter a room and enemy spawns, you'll see that flying enemies actually will try to follow the player, and it'll try to actually avoid the walls. If it's like a ghost-like enemy, the ghost can somewhat click through the walls like that. But as you see, like they'll still try to like go through the paths properly. And as you see, we basically got working AI systems working, or sorry, pathfinding system working. More tired than I thought. Basically, how it works is in each room, I have a star grid that actually says, hey, these are obstacles. So the red is like blocking obstacles so enemies can't like pathfind through it. And then the white ones is like possible like grid nodes. And basically, enemies can actually like try to calculate like, hey, can I get through here? Can I not get through here? And so forth. And if it does find a path to the current target, which is in most cases the player, it'll actually follow the path along the route and actually go to the player. Yeah, so we got character movement working. Another thing we got working is I'm actually going to full screen this and disable the gizmos. Gonna get the zombie over here. I do have some started for character animations. So I actually have a combo system. So if you notice, I did a stab first and then I did a slash down with the dagger. So I got it where you can stab and slash during like combo attacks. Enemies now have a death animation. If I leave the room, re-enter a room, enemies actually respawn and everything. And if I hit escape, you'll see that I'm actually gaining experience for killing the enemies and so forth. So great step forward in the last 24 hours of the project. So yeah, just want to give a small example of what I'm currently working on. Hope you guys enjoyed.